Cutting-edge technology, a survival strategy in the fourth industrial revolution. A company that manufactures the world's best corrugated stainless steel tubes, using its innovative AI technology that's based on a new concept. For the future generation, a global company that provides convenience and safety in our daily lives. Donga Flexible Metal Tubes. Donga Flexible Metal Tubes, which was founded in 1982, not only leads the efforts to advance the flexible metal tube industry, but also fused metal and mechanical engineering to procure state-of-the-art technology and using it with the latest AI automated equipment. Manufactures and supplies only corrugated stainless steel tubes to the global market as a top-notch manufacturing company. The company built its cutting-edge manufacturing factory in 2021, which is 18,000 square meters wide, and has CSST AI automated manufacturing equipment with the world's largest annual production capacity of over $200 million US. Through independent technology development efforts, the company built a new type of CSST forming machine that's one of a kind. It is the world's first AI automated machine. These 125 cases of latest manufacture technology have been patented in Germany, USA, Japan, and Korea. Donga Flexible Metal Tubes manufactures various CSST products of the highest quality in innovative ways. LPG LNG gas CSST, heat exchanger coil CSST, industrial CSST, hot and cold drinking water CSST are exported to various countries around the world, such as the USA, Europe, Japan, Russia, and Australia. Not only does it have British Original Certificate of Management System Registration ISO 9001-2015, the company also has international quality certifications from ANSI, UL, and FM in the USA, CSA in Canada, EN in Europe, LPCB in the UK, VDS and RWTUV in Germany, FESC and JWWA in Japan, and GHOST in Russia, including domestic quality certification from KS and World-Class Product of Korea. The company has been certified for the quality of its products by 25 domestic and overseas institutions. A globally recognized American construction products retailer chain, the Home Depot, has been exclusively selling the company's products since 2012. The technology, which in the stainless steel tube welding process uses the heat from welding to simultaneously weld and heat treat the welding bead and heat affected zone locally, AI welding technology. The technology that enabled the zero rate of change in the thickness of material, AI corrugation buckling forming technology. Technology on the manufacturing condition that minimizes the cold work hardening of stainless steel. Technology on the optimal heat treatment condition for austenite-type flexible stainless steel tube. The technology, which despite the changes in air temperature and the thermal capacity of the heat-treated product, produces uniform heat treatment effect and double the productivity. Stainless steel solution heat treatment technology. The technology, which inside the solution heat treatment furnace simultaneously carries out stainless steel tube solution heat treatment and welding of the tube and connector, oxygen-free brazing and welding technology. Technology on the manufacturing condition that prevents the corrosion of austenite-type CSST. CSST corrosion mechanism and surface corrosion prevention treatment technology. Donga Flexible Metal Tubes owns technology on maintaining the high quality of its CSST products. Furthermore, It provides the friction factor data and Moody chart on its CSST products to partner companies around the world. The company's leading proprietary technologies have been jointly developed by Dong-A Flexible Metal Tubes, engineering colleges, and research institutes. A true collaboration of industry, universities, and research institutes. 10 research articles have been published in journals such as Corrosion Science and Technology by the Corrosion Science Society of Korea, through which the company received recognition on the technological and academic credibility. Dong-A Flexible Metal Tube's leading products are Fuel Gas CSST, Heat Exchanger Coil CSST, Industrial CSST, Gas Connector CSST, Hot and Cold Drinking Water CSST, Water Pipe SPCT, and Fire Sprinkler Flexible Joint for ships. Based on the type of corrugation, CSST can be divided into annular or helical type. The company also manufactures and supplies 2 different types of screw joint fittings. The fuel gas CSST and fittings are supplied in an endless roll or gas connector type. The uncovered annular type flexible tube has been coated to prevent lightning strikes, electrical insulation, UV-resistant and fire-retardant synthetic resin. It is the only pipe material that can be buried within a building. The core factor of gas CSST and its fitting is the safety of one's life and assets from the dangers of explosion and fire. To prevent any mistakes when installing the tubes, the structure of fitting and joining method have been simplified. Dong-A Flexible Metal Tube's leading product and growth engine, the gas CSST and fittings, have been internationally certified by ANSI in the USA, CSA in Canada, EN in Europe, and GHOST in Russia. Domestically, it received KS certification in Korea, as well as World-Class Product of Korea certification. The Home Depot, a world-renowned American construction product selling store chain, has been exclusively selling the company's products online and in stores since 2012. This proves the high quality of the company's products. The heat exchanger coil CSST is helical type CSST, come in an endless roll type. It has low fluid resistance and offers high fluid velocity. Also, because of the wide heat exchange area, it has high heat exchange rate. It also does not vibrate or make noise. On either end of the heat exchanger coil, leading fitting is oxygen-free brazing welded and customized coil tubes are supplied, so it is very easy to connect it to the heat exchange tank. The hot water pipe helical type CSST for the solar thermal system is the only product in the world with its own unique screw joint fitting. Also, the company manufactures and supplies a core component in hydrogen fuel cell automobile, the high-temperature hydrogen heat exchanger, and they own unrivaled technology. The industrial corrugated tube can be divided into stainless steel or copper corrugated tube and metal bellows. The tube has excellent expansion and shrinkage absorption, vibration absorption, and pipe location change absorption capacity. The gas flexible connector CSST is made up of annular and helical types. For the metal joint connection, both ends of the flexible tube are fitted with metal sealing type end fittings. chip-fire sprinkler flexible joints are integrated with reducer and nipple on both ends of high-quality CSST as one piece, so there is no danger of water leakage. It's also flexible, so it's easy to install. Even novices can install the joints. The CSST, which is supplied as endless roll type for drinking water piping system in order to reduce fluid resistance, is a helical type with wide corrugation pitches. The connection method of the fittings is unique worldwide. It is a screw joint fitting method that utilizes threaded cone type packing. Stainless steel partially corrugated tube for waterworks is a flexible pipe with partial corrugation created using the hydraulic forming method. It is used to connect the large main pipe buried underground to the water meter. To prevent a water leak from sudden sinking caused by earthquakes or heavy vehicles, the use of this flexible water pipe is mandatory by law. The world's only automatic multi-two-line forming machine applies the buckling forming method, so the thickness of the corrugated is uniform and can be used semi-permanently. The machine has 5 times higher productivity than that of the previous one. Also used for automobile handle shaft and EGR pipes, a major customer is the Waterworks Bureau, a government agency. The flexible pipe that Dongha manufactures has CSST welding bead width of less than 0.6 millimeters. The thickness of the welding bead is the same as that of the parent material. After the first local heat treatment on weld bead and welding heat affected area by using welding heat, simultaneously with welding, the corrugation forming process is done under the optimal condition. So the transformation-induced plasticity that may occur during the corrugation forming was minimized in this CSST. To maximize the lifespan of the flexible tubes, new technology, the buckling forming method, was applied. Under the optimal temperature condition, the corrugation forming is done. The furrow and the ridge show no change in thickness in this world's best CSST. The heat treatment of the flexible tube automatically controls the dew point. It automatically controls the temperature of coolant using a freezer. Regardless of the external temperature condition, according to the coolant temperature set by the engineer, the temperature is controlled automatically and uniformly, so the effect of the heat treatment is also uniform. Dongha flexible metal tubes are heat treated twice. The first heat treatment is done during the welding process. The first local heat treatment is done to weld and simultaneously eliminate welding stress. The second heat treatment is done after the corrugation forming inside the heat treatment furnace to get rid of forming stress. The stainless steel flexible joint is solution heat treated, while simultaneously within the furnace, the tube and fitting are oxygen-free brazing welded. The technology prevents corrosion by welding residual stress perfectly, and also sealing effects are perfect. In the gas pipeline system, leaks mostly occur at the fitting joints. The fitting that Dongha flexible metal tube supplies either has no sealing component or just one, with a simplified sealing structure. It is an internationally patented technology that allows even novices to install the tubes easily. Dongha flexible metal tubes can manufacture any CSST product that customers may demand. It can manufacture perfect products thanks to its cutting-edge technology, which is the first in the world, AI automated forming machine and AI inspection equipment. To manufacture CSST and fittings with 0 defect rate, AI automated system, and 100% inspection system using AI inspection equipment are utilized for strict quality control. Dong-A Flexible Metal Tubes manufactures its product using independently developed AI automated CSST forming machine that enables a one-line process. When the parent material, stainless steel coil, is supplied using an unwinder, it goes through the tube forming stage, automatically welded by AI TIG. After the local heat treatment on the welding bead area, welding defect check is carried out through AI Vision automatic inspection. Then, it is transported through the narrow area. AI automated corrugation forming is done. Then, using AI Vision inspection equipment, the OD, ID, and pitch interval of the corrugation is inspected. After the length is measured, it is cut and coiled in a continuous process. Heat treatment process, leak inspection, coating and marking are done, then packaged according to the product type. Finally, in order to maintain the product's high quality, they are loaded into a container that's been dehumidified and shipped off. Such one-line manufacturing process is possible thanks to Dong-A Flexible Metal Tubes' proprietary technology. The technology apparent in 125 patents held in Germany, USA, Japan, and Korea, as well as the latest AI manufacturing equipment and AI inspection equipment that satisfy the standards of countries around the world, make it all possible. The company that manufactures the world's best corrugated stainless steel tubes, Dong-A Flexible Metal Tubes' corporate mission and vision are to put customers first, become the best in the world, and pursue creativity and innovation. Together with continuous technological development, collaborating with the world's top companies in the global corrugated stainless steel tube market, we'll do our best to grow together.